We're going to do some polynomial long division. We're going to take this cubic polynomial and divide by this binomial 6x plus 2. Let's put the divisor out. And we're going to put 18x cubed plus 12x squared plus 8x plus 11. And the way I do this is I try to be really, really neat. In fact, so neat that we already know where the finish line is. It's right about here. We're going to have a column right there, and that's going to mark our finish line. The first thing you want to do is get this started. About how many times does 6x plus 2 go into, let's say, 18x cubed? So we're going to approximate this. So what times 6x plus 2 could get me 18x cubed? Well, the answer to that is 3x squared. It's close. It's not exactly 18x cubed. There's going to be other things, other expressions as well. Now, where do I put this 3x squared? I like to put it above the x squares, so it looks like place value. What do we have left? We're going to multiply now. We're going to take 3x squared, and we're going to multiply it to 6x plus 2. And let's see what we have left. We have 18x cubed, and we also have 6x squared. Now remember, the next step in long division is subtract. So make sure you put those parentheses there. That's going to be really, really important. Those parentheses here and here, parenthesis, parenthesis. And now we're going to distribute and subtract. What do we have left? We have a 0 in the first column, and now we have 6x squared. We're at the step of bringing down plus 8x. And now we're going to repeat this process. About how many times does 6x plus 2 go into 6x squared plus 8x? And the answer to that is about x times plus x. Now we're at multiply, and if we multiply, we get 6x squared plus 2x. Now we're at subtract, so make sure you put those parentheses again. The first column is a 0. The second column is now 6x. And now we're at bring down. Remember, you're being very, very neat as you're doing this. Plus 11. Final question, about how many times does 6x plus 2 go into 6x plus 11? Well, about 1 time. So plus 1 here. Once again, we multiply. We get 6x plus 2. And now we subtract. Make sure you put the parentheses. And notice we have hit the finish line. 11 subtract 2, we get 9. Now what do you do with this 9? We're going to take this 9 and write it as a remainder. This is going to be add 9 and over the divisor, which is 6x plus 2. Your final answer will look something like this. 3x squared plus x plus 1 plus 9 over 6x plus 2. Make sure you're paying close attention to the domain. X cannot be what? Let's say negative 1/3. Circle your answer.